South India is a land of traditions, mysteries, and fascinating stories that have been passed down through generations. One such captivating tale is about Falki, a traditional deity worshipped in certain parts of the region. But who is Falki? What's her story? And most importantly, how true is this legend? Let's dive into it. Falki is believed to be a form of deity worshipped in specific South Indian villages. According to local folklore, she is the protector of the land and its people, bringing prosperity and shielding them from harm, often depicted as a fierce yet benevolent goddess. Falki's worship involves traditional rituals, including dance, offerings, and even storytelling sessions. Her devotees often conduct elaborate rituals, which include lighting oil lamps, chanting ancient hymns, and performing traditional dances like Bharatanatyam to honor her. It's said that during these ceremonies, some individuals even go into a trance, claiming to be possessed by the goddess's spirit. The Falki Devi idol is often adorned with bright red and gold saris, symbolizing power and divinity. The entire atmosphere during her festival feels magical and deeply spiritual. The legend of Falki revolves around a mythical battle where she defeated an evil spirit that was tormenting the village. After her victory, she promised to protect the land forever. And since then, the villagers have been worshipping her as their guardian deity. Now comes the big question: is Falki real? Or is she just a part of folklore while there are no historical records or archaeological evidence confirming her existence for the people who worship her? Falki is very real. To them, she's more than a deity. She's a symbol of hope, faith, and unity. So, the story of Falki Devi is a beautiful blend of tradition, faith, and mythology, whether you believe in her divine powers or see her as a cultural icon. There's no denying the impact of this mysterious goddess on South Indian heritage. What do you think? Is Falki real, or is she a timeless legend? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about fascinating traditions and mysteries, don't forget to subscribe the Clever Key. See you in the next video.